Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. How are you today? It's Thursday. Hello, everyone. Good morning, guys. Good morning. How was your morning, guys? It's Thursday. Tomorrow's Friday, my favorite day of the week, finally. So yeah, I'm tired this week. So tired. But this week, so far, so good, you know, in terms of performance, discipline, and everything else. So yeah, strategy I backtested today, play out today on gold again. I keep backtesting. I said today, like, never mind, I just cannot talk yet. It's morning. I trade every single day. I don't care if it's pre-FOMC price action, NFP week, whatever. If I see setup, I enter because it's plan the trade, trade the plan idea. So I don't care which day it is. Okay, let's talk about this short because, guys, I truly believe you can trade this as well. It's not, let me delete for now. So, inside consolidation, right? Price went to premium. Nice OT retracement here. Nice retracement back down to discount. Retracement back to premium OT of this range, right? Price retraced to equilibrium. We consolidated in premium again. So, what happened here? Idea was, I traded 3 micros only because I was like, I don't want to risk a lot. It's consolidation, but 3 micros I can afford, if I can say so this. So we got 30-minute sweep. And yeah, ideal I need to enter here. No, I need to enter here, need to put my stop loss here. I wasn't in front of my computer. I'm going to explain short, like in a moment, 1 second. And when I opened my computer, price was somewhere here. I don't remember exactly. And once again, this is why I backtest additional entries, 30-minute sweep, 3-minute OB, and I entered the trade of fair value gap. It was at 750, guys. We don't steam at this time. Sorry, guys, my bad. But I really want to try this because I backtest this. I really want to trade this, you know. And since we got the very first fair value gap here after we got 30-minute sweep, I positioned myself. I had to position here. My stop loss had to be here. I wanted to aim for 2R somewhere here. Obviously I didn't enter here. I entered somewhere here and I got 2R. Here is executions. 3-minute chart. Sorry, guys. Here's fair value gap, here's 2R. That trade I took based on backtest. We discussed this already for like second week, right? And I took this trade of this setup. I shorted fair value gap because it's an entry backtest right now. And I need to practice to execute. Once again, 3 micros. I backtest with 3 micros. I entered with 3 micros. But sorry, guys, yeah, I shorted off Steam because it wasn't even 8 AM. Sorry, guys. Make sense? That's only trade I took so far. Of course, we will trade more today. It's just pre-market trade. Don't pay attention on this. I made $600 on this trade. And that's it so far. We will trade another stop. It just... I wanted to forward test this and I need to start clicking the button, you know. Okay, let's do for 1 second, guys. Dasha, please start talking like normal person. Please. Please, Dasha. Okay, let's do top-down analysis. Sometimes I cannot speak. Not sometimes, often. Good morning, guys. Yeah, Daniel, we're gonna talk about... I didn't drink coffee today, but I got my chocolate plant-based protein. That's all I eat today. That's funny. Anyway, here's daily chart, right? So it's quite interesting picture. I don't really need daily chart. I need 4 chart. It's quite interesting picture because look how deep retracement on NQ was yesterday and how weak retracement happened yesterday on ES. You're funny, guys, but I love you for this. So we got nice premium retracement, right? Price trying to retrace back to discount. Back to discount, but where? To at least to equilibrium of this move up at 800, 200 points lower. But at the same time, we didn't hit any important level on ES. So ES really weak at this point. Plant-based protein way better, like seriously way better than it was like with regular one. Low blood sugar token. Yes. Yes, it's peas. I mean, it's okay. I mix this with milk. It's not bad, Danielle. But I got peas protein. It doesn't taste like this. Because it's chocolate flavor. You mix this with milk. It's okay. It's okay. Anyway, so I'm looking for the retracement back down to 50% of this move up that we got yesterday. Guys, I mean... It's okay, because I had really problem drinking like whey protein. It was like horrible reaction on it. So I'm looking for a move... So what do you think about this on NQ? Whole Foods, I got this at Costco. It's not bad. I'm going to show you which I tried. At Costco, it's not bad. It's like $30. I didn't try from Whole Foods yet. I got this one. I'm going to take a screenshot. You can actually try this. It's not bad. I got this one. It's okay, you know? Yeah, from Costco. You can get this like in Sam's Club. You can order this on Amazon. I was in Costco. I was like, it's plant-based. I'm going to get this. It's like peas protein. You can try this. It's okay. This one specifically. I got chocolate, also there's vanilla flavor, and that's it, I guess. This one is okay, by the way. Highly recommend this. Yeah, I'm from Belarus, but I'm in US, yes, in Florida. So this is what I expect to get on NQ. And I would say kind of the same picture. Maybe we'll take London low, retracement back to nearest liquidity level, retracement down again. I mix this with creatine. Yes, I mix this. Yeah, always. I bought one. I know some people mix this like with water creatine. I'm like, are you kinda kidding me? I use this one every single morning. Mix this with protein. Really good one. When indicator, guys, I'm not like that fast because I'm going to do this on my own. Like I'm going to write this using my perfect hands. Wait, I'm not that fast. Some people drink with water, but I don't know, I can't do this. So I decided to mix this with protein and milk. It just, I feel it's better for me. You know? All right. So I'm looking for move towards the London low, maybe retracement back to New York midnight open or these highs, and I would like to see 50%. Yeah, that's why I drink this before trading, not after. Let me see. I tried different brands of whey protein. It wasn't good for me. I don't know why. That's why I decided to change this to switch to plant-based. You said, okay, I'm gonna Google this. Where do you buy this? I never seen this brand. Like on Amazon? Target? Supplement stream? Like, yeah, let's share. On Amazon? Okay, I got it. Actually, I can try this as well. Okay, I saved this picture right now. Okay, clear whey protein. Never heard about this. Lots of different, but I tried different brands. It was ON brand and something else, which I don't remember. It was also popular one. It was horrible reaction, so I stopped drinking this. It's always good to support, you know. Talking about gold, guys, we got planned for ES and NQ talking about gold. So we're still inside daily inversion for a value gap. Let me compare this real quick with... Do we have any SMT? No, not really. Okay. So we took previous daily low level over here. 1 second. Sorry, guys. So we got daily sweep here, right? We still inside Tuesday range. We got daily sweep. We took previous daily low level. Let's switch on hourly chart. So which means since we took previous daily low level, right? So what we expect to get at this point? So I can be bullish only at one point. If hourly candle closing above 51.70. At this point, we can confirm daily sweep by hourly change in the state of delivery. Where we can pump at this point? Can we aim for opposite liquidity level? Technically, yes, but we're not going to do this because we're inside high time range. We're going to aim for retracement back to premium. We will aim for OT. So talking about right now, like if you want to ask me, Dasha, do you want to long? Not yet. Structure for long not confirmed yet, but in case it wants to close above this level, we can try to long on lower time frame, and we will aim for 5300. I believe it's approximately next to OT. 1 second. Yeah, somewhere here. This is what we're going to trade. So only if we're going to get hourly order block, we can say, I'm looking for reversal right now as reaction from previous weekly low level and previous daily low level. BISI means bullish fair value gap. So this part makes sense. So for now, if I want to say, I'm looking for a continuation setup, I don't see this yet. But idea is, I believe it will try to pump at the open to this level to at least try to offer order block, but if it's going to fail to close, it will be potential sweep again and it will be short. So at the open, ideally, I would like to see an attempt to form or hourly OB, which means we should pump back to 51.75. And if no break above this level, we can trade continuation setup. Lower. What time you consider it for session high low? Oh, I use daily chart. I use daily chart and I highlight previous daily high, previous day low level. So it's like on daily chart if you're talking about this. If you're talking about Asia high, Asia low, London high, London low, I use 15-minute chart for this and I highlight Asia range between 8 p.m. and midnight New York time, and London range between 2 and 5 a.m. New York time as well. Success rate is like around 65%. It's still okay. 65%. I'm happy with this. Alright. What is your plan, guys? On CL, my plan remains the same. Nothing changed. I would like to see CL like this. So I'm not going to give you like huge numbers. It's like 99.9% win rate because it's not going to be true. It's 65%, which is 2R. And I believe when it's 2R and everything above 50%, it's also good result. Plans to make money? Of course, why are you asking? Of course. I didn't find like another pink t-shirt today. So we're going to stay in my... in this. Not perfect, but still... right? That's CL plan, but once again, why I'm sitting on daily chart? Look at weekly. These gray box, it's consolidation. I'm not sure if it makes... Oh, 1 second. So yeah, guys. My husband decided to distract me every 5 minutes immediately after I started the stream. Immediately. Good morning, everyone. In Q bias, I already said this, so I would like to see probably tracing back to New York midnight open. And if it's going to stay below this level, I will look for down move towards 50% of daily range. R4. Divorce. Yeah. Funded Next Futures, really good company, especially their Bold plan. So you can take daily payouts. With Bold plan, they only have 50k option right now. Maybe they will add more account size. So if you're trying to pick plan with Funded Next Futures, I would try Bold plan because I personally trade with this. Divorce. I always say like, if I don't like something, divorce. 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 I said divorce. No, you can take your time on Bold plan, so it's a one-time evaluation fee. 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, take your time. They're not going to charge you for second month. What Lucid account you recommend? I highly recommend to try 50k Lucid Flex. They're running 50% off on all plans right now, so 50k Lucid Flex costs around $60. Really worth it. Really worth it. This morning I bought extra eval for us to trade when we have like not good price action. I got Lucid evaluation today. I bought 150k pro evaluation. I don't know why, but I just bought this because I'm limited with evals. I need more accounts to trade bet per section. And I bought Lucid account this morning, like at 7 a.m. $60 for Lucid Flex 50K account. So I got one account today. Let's see how it goes. Hope it goes well. I mean, I don't really need to pass this, but to keep account for bet per section is always good. Don't just watch, like I don't like to just watch this, I would like to enter the trade. But I don't, for some time, I don't like to risk like something on my funded account. I prefer to risk this on my evaluations, but at least I'm in the trade, I'm practicing. Flex, like no buffer required, you know? And it's cheaper price. Truly believe it's better. Difference also, 1 second. On Flex, you have consistency rule on evaluation, but no consistency rule on funded. While on Pro, you have no consistency on evaluation, but consistency on funded. Plus, you need to build a buffer. Funded next futures allowed to trade gold, micro gold, silver, micro silver. I asked them 2 weeks ago and they said yes, we're allowed to trade this. For take payout, I always say once you pass your 50K flex, any account, like once you pass your 50K evaluation, I always recommend to build, even when they say no buffer, always build the buffer. This means you need to make amount that you have in your drawdown, which is $2,000 plus $100. So technically 2100, make this money and then take payout. It's always best idea. Lucid Flex, yeah, 25K also can be option. Depends, you know, depends which account size you trade, contract size you trade. If you trade like 1-2 micros, you don't even need to have 50K account. You can just start with 25K. For example, considering my current risk when we have big range, I would probably trade like 25,000 account, which I never tried, but it's really hard to compare Lucid and Epix because it's completely two different prop firms with completely two different like rules. On Lucid you can have 5 funded, while on Epix you can have 20 funded accounts. So you can take more payouts with Epix, right? 52,100 bucks. Yes, first option. Daniel, same. Same. Yes, as long as it's trader-weight connection, you can connect your Lucid, Epix accounts, TradingView accounts, Take Profit Trader accounts. As long as it's trader-weight connection, yes. Yes, of course. For Epix, not yet. So Epix has new rule right now for evaluations, which means you have only 30 days to pass your account. If you didn't pass your account for 30 days, they're going to cancel your account. You need to buy another one. So you don't have like second month's option. So technically, they're not going to charge you for second month because they're going to cancel your account. But 30 days to make like $3,000 is way like more than enough, right? I recommend bold plan. Seriously, bold plan. Personal recommendation. Guys, I trade 150K accounts with 1, 2, 3, sometimes 5 micros. So, they're all the same. Yeah, you will like it. You will like it. It's, by the way, Funded Next Futures running right now sale up to 30% off. So if you're a new user, you can get like bold plan for $70. That's all you're going to pay for entire account. No activation fee, one-time evaluation fee. Worth to try. If you pass your Epix evaluation, you need to pay activation fee. It's either $79 if it's intraday challenge drawdown or $99 if it's end of the day drawdown. Can I use your code? Yeah, I will appreciate this. Always respect support, guys. For Funded Next Futures, with current sale, you need to use code LUMI50 to get 30% off. Also, thank you guys for see this on the top of screen. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. Really appreciate this. My funded futures, yeah, I mean, if you like it, yeah. About gold, here's my plan for gold. Probably, since we're inside consolidation right now, what I would like to see? Manipulation, distribution. Why I would like to see move towards this area? Because right now we have potential daily sweep, right? And in order to confirm daily potential sweep, let me move a little bit here. We need to have hourly order block. So my question is, can gold pump towards this area? And if it's going to fail to offer OB, can we continue dropping? Like dropping over here? Let me rename. Make sense? So technically I'm bearish, but I'm wondering if we can get a retracement, you know? I have 35 funded accounts. I'm funded with different prop firms because I try... Before I recommend you something, I always want to try this. I don't want to recommend you BS, you know? That's why I buy lots of evals, I trade with them, I see if, like how good payout structure and so on, and after this I recommend. But for example, yesterday I said I bought E8 evaluation, and I'm going to practice to trade this, like just testing this prop firm on stream. How to pass fast? I mean, I don't have tasks to pass evals fast normally. I never recommend to copy me, guys. So, I mean, it's better to stick to your plan and your bias, because sometimes I can be wrong. So I don't want to see you taking losses because of this. So we will start trading E8 next week on Monday. So I will show everything I know about them because I bought just one account. Alright, guys, okay. Let's see what is what is the chance to retrace to New York midnight open today. Come on, faster, please. Yeah, 10 minutes left. So far, sitting just with one trade. I took a short on gold at 7:50 a.m. That's all I did. So we have, where we are right now, we have 50% chance to retrace to New York midnight open today. So it's not a lot. What about in Q? Gold was exactly same strategy I backtest last 2 weeks. We have 39% chance to retrace to New York midnight open on NQ. You mean platform to execute? Ninja Trader. Funded next futures code should be Lumi 50. Not just Lumi 50. Try this. So far I'm sitting with $600 profit trading the 3 micros. I like it. I like it. So once again, I bought extra evaluation today, Lucid 150k pro plan, just in case it's going to be cheaper today, but we will see setup, we can try to trade this on this account. And alpha futures as well. Backtested, I keep saying it like this for 2 weeks. So it's same strategy, 30 minutes sweep, 3-minute OB, but in case I missed entry of order block, I was looking for another opportunity to enter, but I don't want to wait for continuation setup. And I decided to add like additional entry, but once again, I backtested only 180 trades, 198 trade trades, and this trade like also included if I want to count this. That's forward test plus back test. So 200 trades back tested, and it gives me 65% win rate. Additional entry will be the very first 3-minute fair value gap once we got 30-minute sweep. So entry of fair value gap, stop loss, let's say it's bearish fair value gap, stop loss above swing high, I'm going to aim for 2R. Why 39? 65%. 65% win rate. It's not a lot, but it's not like bad, right? So I backtest in TradeZella, but I will do live session. We will continue backtesting together. He's late always like, right? I use trade copier, yes. Let me show you which copier I use. I use Replikanto. So I use Replikanto, so you can just pick how many accounts you want to trade. For example, I want to trade just, let's say, just these accounts, just for example. And these accounts I don't want to trade. Also, I can, let's say I want to trade with Alpha Futures mini contract on gold, but with other prop firms I want to trade micro gold. So I have option to do this. Just cross order. At this point, if I'm going to execute 3 micros, let's say on Apex and TradingView accounts, it will copy this trade with 3 mini contracts on Alpha Futures. It's like example. Or I can do ratio, for example. Let's say I want to trade micros, but on Alpha I want to trade 10 micros, for example. But with TradingView, I want to trade 5 micros only. While with Apex, I want to trade 2 micros. So I can adjust contract size. And it's going to execute with different contract size. Make sense? This one actually a cool option. Yes, 2R 65%. Sometimes, okay, I would say, depending on backtest, it's like 200 trades. Initially it was 63%, right now it's 65%. So here's copier I use, just like example, but I use exact quantity and I always use same contract size, and I always trade micros. Live backtesting, guys, I already said it's going to be this month, one of Saturdays. Because I don't see reason to backtest during the week because we trade. But Saturday, like people like do nothing, it's like day off, we can do like early in the morning or after like lunch. I'm funded with 35 accounts, 35. I just did not connect all, but 35 accounts so far. Because once again, I'm testing prop firms to see their payout structure and so on. I'm not even sure if I'm affiliated with one of them. I don't think so. I'm just testing before recommending something. 35, because I passed extra take profit trader. Have you tried? No. No, never yet. No, never seen it, I would say. So I was thinking like, see this leader account. So leader account connected here and here. This means I have leader account on my main tab and an copier. I was thinking if I'm going to use this leader account in TradingView and I'm going to execute my trade with this leader account, I truly believe it's going to copy across all accounts. So technically my answer is yes. I never tried, but it's like logically should be. As you can see, guys, I don't hide my last numbers because I don't care. You can see how many accounts were blown. Like, I blew 10 accounts this year. 5 lucid funded accounts and 5 lucid evaluation accounts. It will copy, yeah. It's like logically should be, right? All right. All right. Yeah, I just want to be transparent with how many accounts actually I blew. So with Lucid direct accounts, I bought them like last year. It was like good performance, but unfortunately, it is what it is right now. Lucid Flex, I blew this quite fast, like for 2 months, I guess. No, not 2 months. Come on, less than 1 month, I believe. Yeah, it's like it were brand new accounts. How I blew this? It's your question. I was chasing silver. Yeah, 10 accounts, same so far. Definitely it will be more this year, but I hope it's not going to like way more. Of course, guys, I will make announcement when I'm going to do live session. Of course. I will do on Discord, Instagram, Twitter, and on stream. It's funny because I was trading 2 micros on silver, and 2 days in a row I hit daily loss limit. 2 micros. I didn't even try to trade like 3 micros. God. I speak Russian. It is what it is. So you just need to know this. Painful story, but you need to know this. Okay, guys, we took London low on both ES and NQ, seems like, right? Yeah. Market is going to open in 50 seconds. So the question is, can we retrace to near buy side liquidity level, stay below New York midnight open, and drop? Yeah, it's Russian accent, so yeah. And I would like to see a short. I just don't want to short here simply because we are too low. I want to short like after my night retrace and back up. Please. Can you retrace for us? We will enter the trade, please. Don't be shy, just like a little bit of retracement. I am from Belarus, from Minsk. I'm in US for 10 years, but yeah. I'm not from Russia, I'm from Belarus. Right. It will be textbook setup, guys. Let's hope. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Oh yeah, looks good. Market is open. That's exactly what I wanted to see. Just please, a bit higher. We can short like here. I mean, technically we can, but we don't want to do this, right? Okay, open, close. Open straight down, so we did not even retrace to the stages RTH gap, right? Which, by the way, also great idea, right? So if we retrace him back to the range between 25 and 50% on SPX and rejection, it could be way better. Look at NQ. Wow, that's actually good. I'm going to switch right now on my ES chart on my Ninja Trader. So, and Ninja Trader said, "F you, Dasha. We're going to lag hard." Dumb. Come on, stop being frozen for me. I'm kidding, guys, but I just have like some problem with my internet connection recently. Oh yeah, it's not Ninja Trader fault. It's my fault. So trying to retrace exactly where I wanted to see. So far, plan is so good. I don't really want to see SMT, to be honest. I would rather to see the sweeping this high on both. Please don't over SMT. Guys, I never trust SMT. Come on, can you please pump on both, I hope it's going to be Judah swing, guys. Do we have any news at 10? Seems like yes. Yeah, should belong to short. So far, textbook, exactly what we wanted to see, right? I even use, like, guys, look at this. I even use like Russian hand cream. I bought in the Russian store this weekend because it smells it's so good. So in Q approaching liquidity level, smells like how my grandmother used this. When I remember when I was a kid, she always used it, and I was like, smell of childhood. Seriously, same smell, guys. It's like, I don't know, like 25 years later. I was like 3, 5. I don't remember exact age when I was smelling this, but it was so good. I will use potential sweep 3 million to B, 5 million to B, preferably 5 million to B since it's market open, and I will try to short if it's going to offer this scenario. We could actually try to long at the open, but it was risky, not going to lie. But still, we could try. We could give it a try. Because it was predictable, you know? Come on, SPX, don't be shy. Keep going higher. Damn, that's so good. But I don't feel FOMO, but it was good. So far, like, retracement down and like reversal, it was exactly what we wanted. Let's see if we're going to stay below New York midnight open. So in case, like, if we want to short, we cannot blindly enter short because we swept high. Of course, we are not like stupid people, we're smart people. We're gonna wait for 5 minute, 3 minute OB, and we will give it a try. Not right now, obviously, but we pumped like 30 points. That's insane. Be selective, yes. Plan the trade, trade the plan, right? But so far, so good, so good. Gold, guys, what I would like to see. Let's pray it's going to offer this. How many points we actually can get? More than enough. Hello, hello. Here, guys, remember I was talking about this yesterday, about data. Statistics trying to tell us 40% retracement, which is like nothing. But we knew, like, we need to get this manipulation before potential reversal. We want to ignore the data, we want to stick to bias and candlestick information. They said us we should retrace higher, and we're going to ignore the data, even if it's like 12 months data, 24 months data, whatever. Whatever. So right now, the main question, if you're going to stay below or above New York midnight open. I'm going to delete this for now because we don't want to have many drawings on our chart. But yeah, let's see. If you're going to stay below New York midnight open, I really want to see a move to downside. Yeah, ICT trader, yeah. ICT trader. Let's check silver. See this equal loss on silver? Just ridiculous. Seriously. I expected to get this drop like long time ago. If short never will be presented, we will not trade. Simple, right? We will look for continuation higher above New York midnight open. Guys, you need to be flexible. You need to adjust yourself to market conditions. If you were bearish initially, but you see market tells you opposite story, like ignore this. Just ignore like your bearishness. Do what market offers you in real time, right? I'm okay to flip the bias when I see invalidation. This is what you need to do as well. You're not flexible. It's bad. For executions, I use 3-minute chart or 5-minute chart, and don't use 1-minute chart for executions. Don't feel bad about this. Just analyze why this happened. What you try to do, and did you trade indices? I almost never recommend to trade indices before market open, because like many times we see manipulation right at market open. So even if your trade idea is right, so there's a big chance to sweep your high, or you sweep your stop loss before continuing going higher or lower. Line charts? Oh, never. It's this one. Wow. You know, if it works for you, of course, use this. You said this in English before? Could you please name what are the most important criteria for you? Hide from context, sweep liquidity. You answered your question. Exactly what you mentioned is what I want to see. I'm so sorry. I probably missed your question. Watermark indicator. It's free, by the way. Guys, we're not in rush. We're waiting for confirmation of shorts, and we will try this. Oops. First confirmation will be if we're going to close below this up close candle. It can be a confirmation. Same on NQ. Hourly market maker buy model. Yeah, I just ideally would like to see a retracement back to 50% of the range. Once again, I will completely flip my bearish bias, short-term bearish bias to bullish above New York midnight open. Quality over the quantity, exactly. Yep. Come on, please, just don't offer straight down. So my plan for now, if you can close below this dark black line, probably it will be my trade idea. Probably. This partial low of the day. Something like this. That's what I'm watching. Oh, no news today. Someone said it's going to be news at 10, but probably it was wrong information. Oh yeah, nothing today. It was 8:30 AM news only. Alright. 1 minute left. All we need to get is a closure. It can be potential partial level. But once again, depends if you're going to close. Points. I believe it's going to like just close one tick above this black line, because like why not? It's like typical picture. This always happens. Good morning. You missed nothing. I only took a short on gold, but it was at 7:50 AM, like long time ago, 2 hours ago, and I made $600. That's all I made today. Looking for another opportunity. Come on, that's what I'm... typical. Are you kidding me? Typical. But it's, guys, once again, it's fake. Sweep means nothing. It's not short. We Even if it's going to offer straight down right now, ignore this. It's not bearish confirmation. It's still, this sweep means bullish confirmation. It's just fake change in the state of delivery. Call this whatever you like. See guys, we have a plan, but we cannot trade this plan yet simply because idea not presented, right? Keep waiting. I hate it, but I will look for longs above New York midnight open. I'm okay not to be first buyer. My invalidation of my short-term bearish bias above New York midnight open. That's it. I'm perfectly fine to miss like 10 points, but my confirmation will be here. Fake because it did not close. Exactly right. Guys, this is the reason why I never listen to like people who recommend me to short or long, because I have my plan, I have my view on market, and I follow my view. So my view closure below this level, as you can see, it failed on both, will offer my confirmation. Please look, of course. Main chat. Oh, I see. That's interesting actually, because I never seen that before. You're saying like it's different liquidity levels. See this? Damn. If it's going to close, it will be partial. Not that fast. Wait. Not that fast. Don't do this. Don't do this. Please. We don't need to see straight down. Please. Sometimes it's going to be like this, so... it's funny, but... it's life. Oh, actually we got the closure on SPX. Since we got the closure on SPX, that's a bit different story, right? And at least we got the closure, guys. At least something. Let me see how big risk. Partial will be less than 1 hour. I guess so. Let me see if I'm going to enter like here. 47. It's like not worth it yet. No. Not for me yet. I don't like when partial like way less than like entire stop loss. Actually with 3 micros we can risk $100. But not sure if it's worth it. Let's wait for silver bullet for now. Or maybe in Q. Let me check YM real quick. Damn, YM, what are you doing? Why YM always does exactly what I want to see on ES? Like, always. Always. Right now we have SMT between YM and ES. So pretty similar picture that we got. Oops. And, oh, okay. Which I don't like. Because yesterday we got exactly the same situation. And it was a good confirmation of potential reversal. YM looks good. Swap the low, exactly what I wanted to see. I don't know. Okay, let's see. I will flat for now. I will stay flat for now. It could be good confirmation if YM wasn't that strong. Okay. I don't know. It's interesting because I keep saying like candlesticks are the same everywhere, and you don't need to care about chart. But when I'm trying to trade strategy, I love to trade on InQ, ES, like everywhere, but not on YM. On YM it works never. And I really was trying to give this a try, but I stopped doing this because this strategy, like sweep, 30-minute sweep, really it was hard to trade this. Okay, let me do it for now. Okay. Good morning, everyone. So far, just one trade taken. It was like at 7:50 a.m. Gold short. It was obvious. Right now, I was kind of interested in shorts in ES, but YM at the same time offered nice SMT. So I kind of changed my mind. Probably going to wait. No, actually exists. Going to wait for like more confirmation. Right now, not worth it. If YM fails to offer any signs of reversal, maybe ES idea will be right. See what I'm talking about on YM? Let's keep YM right now on the chart, and I'm going to keep my eyes on another screen. Because technically my trade idea can be correct still, if YM will continue dropping. Like just and share the stream, guys. Yeah, appreciate this. So maybe I will try small position soon on since YM doesn't want to provide structure yet for reversal. Don't want to risk more than 250 bucks. So at this point I need to get some sort of displacement to put my stop loss at this swing high. Like down close candle, I'm in short, stop loss here, I'm going to aim for like weekly open maybe. Look at YM, too strong. Where are we going on YM? Previous daily low level, maybe. Maybe. Because seems like we have room to go like slightly lower on YM. Previous daily low level here. New York, way below New York midnight open. Let's see. I'm gonna wait a little bit more. Interesting, because quite choppy right now on ES. It's once again exactly same picture we got yesterday. Choppy on ES, down move on YM, up move on Q. Like, how is it even possible? What this means? Gold, yeah, of course, I already did. I would like to see just the retracement up to continue going lower. Probably. Right now, consolidation. This is what, since it's consolidation on gold, makes sense to trade indices, I think. Gonna keep YM right now on my chart because interesting if it's going to offer sign of reversal. Because if no, trade ideas that I mentioned before in the US will be valid. And NQ needs to catch this up somehow. YM trying. So far this SMT holding. Gold consolidating, Q going higher. YM like, I don't want to go higher yet. Let's just stuck here. Because why not? What I would like to see, I would like to see displacement so I can put my stop loss, reduce risk on this swing high. But nothing yet. Short will be valid just in case NQ can reverse right now and YM continue going lower to previous daily low level. This point should be valid idea. Otherwise, we will just look for longs above New York midnight open and that's it. On gold? Really hard to say if it's fake SMT right now, Chris, because seriously, NQ too strong right now. And once again, I'm happy to see like it's an invalidated SMT to play this, but not that fast. I will look for shorts maybe around like 68.49 only. Since we got sequence of up close candles, I may look for shorts somewhere here. Right now it's kind of risky. Even if it's like fake SMT, I don't see reason to short yet, which is also important. Also, my concern, sorry guys, my concern right now on NQ is this. Look at this strong break above New York midnight open. Kind of ridiculous to see this picture. Didn't even take buy side. Why keep tapping like random letters? I will long above New York midnight open. That's it. I'm totally fine to be like not first seller, not first buyer, you know. 5 minutes left. It's 9:50 mark right now, but 5 minutes left until silver bullet starts. So let's see. Let's hope to get set up. Gold. NQ needs to offer any signs of like weakness right now, but NQ too strong. I agree with you. It either needs to just offer strong break above New York midnight open to start talking about like continuation higher. Wow, this consolidation. Well. All right. We're not in a rush, of course. What's the point of this chop right now? Let's see if it's going to be fair value gap here. It's Euro futures, by the way. Just saying. I'm okay to trade this. ES is so slow, yeah, but NQ too strong. We'll look for longs above New York midnight open on ES. It will be complete invalidation of my bias, short-term bearish bias. And run up like you're in Q, bro. That's funny, but I like it. Looks quite similar to yesterday's price action. Not quite exactly the same price actions we got yesterday. Okay, trying to break above New York midnight open. Euro future still. No order block. Okay. For the summer, me. I live in summer. Can gold start moving, please? YM shows signs of reverse. Oh, look at this straight up on NQ. Like overall, I'm bearish on gold, but I would like to see move towards 51.70 first. That's my plan. It will offer either fake hourly change in the state of delivery or a real one. Let's see if we're going to close. Once again, I will be totally fine to leave my bias. Sweep, not confirmation. Closure, yes. That's huge move so far, yes. You talking about gold? We broke above New York midnight open. Don't have it, okay, whatever. Okay, we got the closure above New York midnight open, so which I may actually start liking right now for continuation higher. So we will see. Just waiting, I'm still flat. A big range. $25 points. Yeah, like 4 or 5 micros should be okay for this trade. I'm gonna check Euro futures real quick. Okay, 2 minutes left on this candle. A bit annoying, guys, but I don't feel like I missed something yet. For me, yes. No. No. Please. Don't force me to do this. That's actually a good point here. Okay. You passed your... That's so good. I'm so happy for you. Can we gamble like yesterday? Range quite big for gambling, you know? Maybe PM session we're gonna do this, but range quite big right now to chase the price, you know? Yesterday it was just consolidation, we could just chase the price. Not right now, let's be smart, please. Yeah. Click the like. By the way, guys, click the like. Don't be shy. I do giveaway today for 50k Lucid Pro accounts. Here's the link for giveaway. One-time evaluation fee, but you're not going to pay for this, obviously, and no activation fee. Propulsion block on 5. SMT at high, since London high taken on NQ failed to be taken on ES. And we have SMT with YM at highs as well. See? Actually, let me add an indicator. 1 second. SMT. Thank you. It will be easier. Gold consolidation. Nice ejection from we're still below New York Midnight Open on YM. I know, maybe I should try this. Monitor, please. Stop these games. Nice 2-minute order block. Not inversion though. Strong rejection from New York Midnight Open. Strong rejection from London high, but we didn't take Asia high. And YM right now fighting with bullish bias. So $2,000 your real money account, and it's going to cost you $2,000. But with 50k account, yes, you have drawdown $2,000, but your cost is going to be like $60. If you're new, like in trading, like completely new to trading, I would start probably with evaluations because it's lower entry cost, you know. Guys, are you in any position right now? strategy I backtest, guys. I don't backtest this on ES, but I backtest this on gold. So if I want to backtest here, here's the entry. And 2R is going to be here, according to this model. Q actually looks good. Come on. M and Q. I'm actually try not a yes but M and Q because it looks better. At least previous daily low level taken, you know. Short. Because we broke below New York midnight open again. Let me try to find projections. How far we can go actually. Probably this one. Like at least one standard deviation projection. Like at least 30-minute chart. Okay, let's see, maybe NQ will be a better option for me today. Not fan of NQ trading, but sometimes it's only way. On 150k account, 50 point stop loss. That's a lot, but it's okay. Guys, I'm looking for entry. I will show you immediately once I enter the trade. Okay, trying this short on M and Q. Let's see how it goes. If I'm early, it's probably okay. I'm okay to trade like another setup later. YM looks quite strong right now. Yes. Yes, didn't break this low yet. I'm okay to the enter, but just later. First attempt, just first attempt. We have equal bodies here. We can be a bit early on this entry, because a real setup can happen like after, I would say, 11. But we can try another, like, second time, right? All right, we will see. How many contracts? Okay. It's just 5 micros to start on 150k account. I broke my nail yesterday. It's so painful when I was cleaning my car. That's bad, actually. That's bad. When magnets, I don't know. Not super comfortable with this trade. Maybe I'll wait for magnets. Need to get some sort of displacement, because so far I was wrong like immediately, which is by the way fine. You know what I like? If I'm wrong with my setup, I prefer to be wrong immediately. Just hit my stop loss, I will just focus on another opportunity. I always prefer this scenario. More than you know, sit inside consolidation, like profit, drawdown, profit, drawdown. I don't like it. If I'm wrong, just stop me out immediately. I will focus on another opportunity, because why not? Right now we're still below New York midnight open on ES, but above New York midnight open on NQ, which is interesting because it's kind of not in sync. YM trying to reverse but still struggling. At this point it's interesting once again because ES and YM looks a bit more bearish, I would say, but NQ kind of fighting this bullish bias right now, like between bullish and bearish bias. I used 3-minute OB on NQ. Oh, sorry guys, I just have different chart. I used 3-minute OB on NQ here. Displacement, I entered, plus we got inversion. I was like, worst to try. Like we swept London high, we below 10 AM open, but the issue we above New York midnight open. We got 3-minute inversion, we got 3-minute OB. I tried this one. If I'm like early, I'm fine. I will wait for another opportunity. I would like to see probably the test of New York midnight open. Please. But if not, then it's okay. It's alright. Since we got sequence of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up close candles, so at this point I use the very first candle that touched high from level, and it was London high. So London high was my high from level because it's liquidity, and I use this as order block. We got inversion. Like what we need to use to get smart money reversal, it's liquidity level taken or any high from PD ray. Also, it must be changing the state of delivery and inversion fair value gap, or changing the state of delivery and market structure shift. No. I didn't stop yet, so we will see how it goes. But if it's going to stop me out, I will just wait and focus on another opportunity. No reason to think about our losses. We're thinking about another opportunity, because... Are you in trade already? Why you asking? Please tell me why you asking. Sorry guys. 3-minute OP. Reason why I shorted NQ was we got, my needed also a bit lagging, but we got break below New York midnight open on ES. We are below New York midnight open on YM. That's why. So this dark line is New York midnight open. Preferable to take partial here. Maybe I will, but not necessary here. I want to see the test. Why I want to see the test of New York midnight open? Simply because we below New York midnight open on ES and YM. On YM, I don't see signs of reversal yet, so like, let's see how it goes. Because I entered OFOB, added a little bit more contract that, no, I added here, no, I entered here, added here, and that's it. Where I entered, like here, yes, added here, and my average is at 141.25. See, it cannot even test New York midnight open yet. Look at ES right now. It's insane. Yeah, I entered here, added there, and my average was there. Exactly. Oh, we tested New York midnight open. That's actually good. I cannot see anything. Where's my executions? I'm going to lock some profit here, just a little bit of profit. I'm going to cancel this order. I have... Why 2? Come on, it should be 1. Actually good. I'm going to leave this. Like just $150 on this trade, just a little bit of profit. I'm going to chill right now at break even. Good displacement. So why break even? Because right now we're inside 5-minute order block. 5-minute order block can be good support right now, and if price wants to push, it will push off this order block. So like small W right now for me, $150 just on 2 micros. Like yes, a little bit on drawdown. I'm okay with this normally. Once again, why partial taken? I'm going to show you. Here's 5-minute order block. A reason why I took some profit here. I like 40 points profit. Which is, by the way, exactly 1 hour. And ES was too low for me, so I didn't want to short ES. And Q were better option. You know, I don't really fun to trade in Q, but at this point it was only option to execute. ES too strong. I mean, it's too low to actually short. Guys, if you keeping your stop loss, I highly recommend to trail to break even. If you don't mind, I'm going to delete this drink. I don't need this. Let's see if we can lock 86 points. Looking good. We got a retest of this level here. Up 70 points. Already up $600. Come on. We keep winning! I locked $500 already in this trade. It's my base hit on my all accounts. Trade the plan. Plan the trade, trade the plan. Woohoo! Let's see. Right now, just going to let it run. No, actually going to leave stop loss. Final TP is low of the day. Trading Lucid, Tradify, I just Alpha, I just copy across multiple accounts. It's Evals funded everything. I just copy across everything right now. Thank you guys. Good trade, good trade. Happy with this. If we're going to get 180 points, it will be my biggest trade on NQ for the last like 1 year, because I don't trade NQ, you know this, guys. Go, baby, go! Go! Don't be shy! Damn, we're up 115 points. Insane. That's insane. My problem, I have no idea how to hold runner. That's why, guys, I'm going to hold this runner no matter what. Click the like, guys. I appreciate your support. We keep winning over and over and over again. We keep plan the trade and trade the plan. We got nice SMT. I would say YM today was great confirmation for the trade. Dumb. Keep going, baby. Keep going. Don't be shy. Up 130 points. Trail my stop loss and 20 points profit. Just on runner. Just to... Why not? $140 points in profit. Ideally, let's see, I would like to get 200 points. It will be nice title for the stream if it's going to be 200 points profit. Who knows? Maybe we will get 200 points. Because if so, guys, it's going to be fat W. I will be like almost $1,000 in profit on my all funded accounts and evaluations. Everywhere. Type 1 in the chat if it's going to be 200 points trade. Type 2 in the chat if it's going to be 22 points on runner. Type 1, of course. Why are you asking, Dasha? Lots of ones in the chat. Market makers will see this and will push us lower. Please. Yes, took the low. Actually, let me bring this at break even. Why? No reason to chill runner. Just gonna let it run. I want 200 points, please. It will be strong comeback. In my garage, Tesla. Tesla Model X. Flat. Oops. Oops. Na na na. More! We're up 150 points. More! I want 180, please. Oh, no, I want 200 points. It will be a nice title for the stream. 200 points. Please. Please. Where's my pointer? Come on. Guys, are you ready to write like fat W? Like fat, huge W. I am. Please. So guys, if you're new to my channel, this works so good. Market makers love pink color. We figured this out like a couple of months ago. What else? Eye icon. Blue. What else? What else? Help, guys. Like flag? Of course. But we need to change to pink. Enough. 160 points in profit. Like fat one. Huge one. I want 200 points. It's like because I want to get a nice title. I would close on like long time ago, but since I'm up like 500 bucks on my funded accounts, my base hit, I just need to let it run. Because unrealized profit 300 bucks. It's not a big deal. But guys, we pretty much entered at the top. It's 5-minute chart. We entered at the top. Come on, baby, just 200 points, because we deserve this. We were waiting for, like, too long. Drop it like there is no bottom, please. Please. I'm happy with 150 points, but I just would like to get 200 points. Come on, lower, lower, here. Like, okay, my pre-market plan play out so good. 200 points! 200 points! Damn, I'm up like 900 bucks. Come on. Yes, here. Please. I need 200 points. Close. Are you kidding me? Yay! I am up 1,000 bucks on my all funded accounts. That's insane. W, like fat W in the chat. We deserve this. Just, we deserve this. Everything I want to see play out. It's so fucking insane, guys. Because we keep winning. Of course. We keep winning. Because we are the best. And it's NQ trade. $35 funded accounts. I'm so happy, guys. So happy. And it keep dropping. Wow. Like, wow. Thank you, market makers. Appreciate this. I know it's not pink t-shirt today, but I put lots of pink magnets there. Yeah, thank you so much. It's so nice because it was NQ. It was NQ trade. Thank you so much. I will call you back again at 12:30, so we'll plan another trade. Thank you so much. I never multiply. Again tomorrow on NQ? I mean, maybe. It's so good, guys. I feel so good because the trade was... Okay, at the beginning it was a bit stressful. Simply because we got kind of deep retracement. But we're confident, we always know what we want to do a trade. My plan, especially on ES, play out so good. But yesterday PM session trade, it was something special, guys, because it was really funny. I was like, I saw it was consolidation yesterday. I seen, by the way, 2 sessions, IM and PM. I saw it was just ugly consolidation yesterday, and I was like, probably it's going to be until the end of the day. Let's gamble something. And we entered long, and actually we got 2 TPs, and my last TP was high of the day. To the tick. I posted, you can just watch the recording. For some people call me like fake guru or something like this, but 95% of my trades taken live. I got 2 fat W's today, short in gold and short in Q. I transferred with everything, and pretty consistent, especially last couple of months. I literally traded AM session. I wasn't long on ES. It was a trade I took. It was this trade. My second TP was right to the tick here, then it dropped. Took my break even with just 1 micro left. And at 7 PM hit my final TP. But I didn't trade this already. I was happy. Ideally, I would like to see lower, like 801, I think. So you know, live trading is not hard for me anymore, because only because of live trading I can wait for a setup. You think if I wasn't like on stream, I would probably chase already, probably, because I need to be disciplined in front of people. And I need to show like good example, because once again, since we have 900 people in the chat, my task is to show you profitable trading, not just use my code to reset your blown accounts. No, my task is for you to take payouts, because I really would like to show you good trading. And I really care about what I trade and what I show. It's not like I want to take BS because like whatever, I can like reset my account or something like this. No. For me, it's very important to show you like what discipline, what edge is, and how I follow my setup and strategy. I do this every day for like 14 months. Because they're afraid to lose their reputation. And probably if they, I maybe understand them, because if they sell Discords or courses, probably it makes sense how they can sell Discord or courses if they're going to keep losing on stream. Probably this makes sense to me, so they're afraid to lose reputation, but I don't care. Any giveaway? Yeah, I'm doing lucid accounts for giveaway today. So far good exit. Please, I hope it's going to happen during PM session, so we can short again or long again during PM session. Guys, everything I trade explain on my YouTube for free, for $0, 0 cents. Free. I risked a bit a lot today, but it was okay for me. Like normally I risk 350, but on this trade it was like 550 bucks. It's okay for me. My account's already built with sold buffer, so I decided to give it like bigger risk. So idea was, it's interesting because ES actually offered idea of model that I backtest right now. 30-minute SIP, 3-minute OB, fair value gap. But since I saw it's too low right now to short, I decided to protect myself with entering on NQ. But I would say idea was more based on ES chart. But at the same time, NQ offered 3-minute OB, 3-minute inversion, and London high sweep, which was like good validation of smart money reversal. That's why I entered pretty much at the top, because it was confirmation. Giveaway will be at 11, guys. I trade futures, I trade metals, I trade indices, I trade Euro futures from time to time. But gold was hard today. So I shorted gold, I already showed executions before. I shorted gold here, I got this trade, and after this I took nothing. Welcome guys to my channel. If you're new here, I really appreciate you here. So we have no hate here. We only focus on trading, on profitable trading and discipline. Yeah. I do live trading every single day, AM session and PM session. AM session from 9 to 11, but we started today at 8:40 AM. And from 12:30 to 2:30 PM, PM session. Sometimes PM session just garbage, we don't trade this. But sometimes we see good setups. Sometimes. Yesterday we were sitting in Spanish long on ES. We actually got like 10 points, but we were in this trade for 3 hours, I guess. So guys, when we will do backtest session it's going to be Saturday. I don't know which Saturday is going to be, but maybe next Saturday, not this one. I will explain the strategy. I don't backtest this on ES, but you can help me with backtesting on ES after like live stream. I backtest this on gold only, and I use this strategy today shorting gold for 20 points. After this it dropped 100 points, but we don't care about this. And I use liquidity sweep on 30-minute chart, 3-minute OB and 3-minute fair value gap. Very first 3-minute fair value gap after we got 30-minute sweep. That's what I trade. I don't use like anything else. Lines are powerful. Yeah, I saw like, it's cool actually, yeah. That's actually cool. But still, lines, it's hard. Why 3-minute chart? I guess it's just personal preference. It's not 5-minute chart, but it's not 1-minute chart. 1-minute chart has like lots of noise. 5-minute chart like a bit like bigger time frame, bigger stop loss. 3-minute chart is like sweet spot, you know. So I just said why I entered this trade on NQ. ES just was too low to actually short this, as well as YM was like too low. You long NQ from 011? Like just right now. Okay, got it. You used inversion probably. Okay, I see. It's interesting because ES did not hit, it hit weekly open. We wanted to short to this level initially, but it did not hit 50% of the range. I don't like it. Right now it's really hard to talk about buys. Once again, I'm perfectly fine with them. I'm just trying to figure out where It's going to be order block, you know, because I use order block for my entry 99.9% of the time. At this point, probably it's going to be also last candle. Hard to say. 1 second. Why I'm saying hard to say? I have 2 Teslas. Tesla cars. It's not like luxury car. Recap? We can do live session backtest of this strategy. You don't need like exact recap of this trade. We can just backtest this. How many cars? Why are you asking? I have only 2. It's going to be either next Saturday, not this Saturday, because it's going to be hard to do this Saturday, but Saturday, either early in the morning, I will do PM session, yes, or after lunch. I have 35 funded accounts and like lots of evals. Not lots of, okay, I have 5 evals. My win rate is around like 65-70%. Last year it was 70, like for the entire year. This year, like it's March, I blew 10 accounts, 5 evals, 5 funded. Just for your information, for like transparency. I never had any luxury cars, guys, and I'm not going to buy them. I'm not this type of person. I would try to spend money on like education or on my kids. I do for normally 2-hour trades. How do you manage your psychology? That's absolutely amazing question. And the answer is, once you have the strategy model that you're going to, like that you trade every single day, you're going to just plan the trade and trade the plan. At this point, you see your strategy here. You're going to short of the strategy. You know the strategy works. You backtest it, forward test this many, many times. At this point, like FOMO, like fear of losing or something like this disappears. And I'm perfectly fine with stop losses at this point, break-even trades or something like this. So once I found profitability once I started sticking to just one model. 35,000. I mean, when party, I never multiply. Party when like this money hit my bank account. Right now, just SIM-funded accounts. Yeah, right? I shorted in Q and I got 200 points. It was just easier to trade because when I wanted to short yes already was too low. And YM already like broke the low. Strategy, I normally, guys, most of the time I trade gold. Don't think like I'm just trading Q every single day. No, I trade ES and gold most of the time, and Q just like sometimes. I trade 30-minute sweep, so basically candle 2, 3-minute OB, and I added new entry point, like which is fair value gap. Very first 3-minute fair value gap after we got sweep. That's it. Next plan, right now probably just relax a little bit. We got expansion, right now probably retracement. I'm thinking if we get another leg down, which probably will be better just to stay away from this, because it can be choppy a little bit right now. And can we hit our fair value gap here, and probably 50% of yesterday move up? Not actually yesterday, from Tuesday, I guess. From Tuesday. And I will start looking for potential longs. Or right now we're going to break above New York midnight open, which will be probably enough for reversal. We're breaking above New York midnight open. Maybe I will start talking about longs. Right now it's still just a retracement in my opinion until we break below above New York midnight open. And I still can expect just another leg down, as long as we're below New York midnight open. Oh, it will be on YouTube. I don't sell in Discord. I have already Discord. If you want to join, go and join. But it will be here on YouTube. I execute on 3-minute chart. For OB, this candle. Why I didn't use sequence? So why I didn't use this sequence? Because it was just huge one. I used the very first candle that touched high time frame level. It was this order block. Make sense? No, I show it on Q. It should be okay. Oh, I got it. It was from Tuesday. Sorry guys about this. But yeah, order block was here. Giveaway time like in 10 minutes. Guys, if you still want to join giveaway, let me send you link for giveaway. It will be Lucid 50k Pro account. Which by the way, I also traded today. I have some vals. You should risk 250 bucks, not more. Especially if you just got this account, 200 bucks is your risk, not more. Let's double this. It will be hard. Maybe I have consistency rules unfunded, so it's really hard to double this. If it makes sense. Maybe like second trade will be taken on like on take profit trader since I have no consistency there. And maybe on some Lucid accounts. I'm not going to trade TradingView anymore simply because I have consistency there. It's already more than I usually make. Yeah, I guess I will try to trade maybe Alpha Futures, Take Profit Trader, and something, and Lucid if I will trade another setup, but not all accounts anymore. It's just a lot. 200 bucks. Yes, that's right. Yes. Let's see. I believe it's going to be a little bit of consolidation right now. I use Replikanto. I already showed you this morning, but I use Replikanto to copy all my accounts. They recommend to copy up to 20 accounts, but I test this 25 account. It works. So it works so good without like maybe like there is like small slippage, like $5 difference sometimes, but it's not like significant for me. Not huge, you know. So guys, giveaway in just in 9 minutes. We will start giveaway. Or we can start giveaway if we're going to hit 500 likes. So right now we have 400 likes. Let's do 100 likes more. And I will start giveaway like right after this. We will take a break and we'll come back by 12:30 p.m. to trade PM session together. Hit the like, guys. Let's do this faster. If you want. Because we have 400 likes, we need 500 likes. And once we hit 500 likes, I will start giveaway. And during PM session, I also will do giveaway. I think it will be... I don't know yet. We will see. Good luck. We close, guys. 30 more likes. Come on, it was fast. I have free Discord. I don't sell anything. But if you want to join free Discord, welcome. Free Discord, just in case you want to join. Welcome. Oh, hello. What days do you trade from Monday to Friday? Don't trade on Saturday and Sunday. Because I need break from trading sometimes. Come on, guys, 20 more likes and we will start giveaway. If you want to join Discord, once again, here is a link. Just join. Welcome. Welcome. Bitcoin calls me. I know. I know. I need a break from trading. Guys, I'm the person who like happy when it's Friday. Because I consider like trading as a job. And I really sometimes tired from this. I need a break from time to time. Oh guys, we hit 500 likes. It was faster than I expected. I will give you 1 more minute to enter giveaway. Just 1 more minute and we will... Once again, at 12:30 p.m. I will trade PM session. 12:30 p.m. I will trade PM session. Look at our exit. That's insane. Because market makers wanted to give me 200 points. Of course, it was the reason. Come on, guys, 20 more seconds to enter giveaway. Yeah, if you entered in my website, yeah. Yes, of course. Guys, you ready? Let me update the page. So for IM session, it will be Lucid accounts. For PM session, I don't know yet, but we will figure this out. Okay, let's do. First winner. Oh, I like your name. You have 50 seconds to say, hey, I'm here, I won, I'm so happy, woohoo. Not here, you always say this so fast. Maybe, yay, you won. Congratulations. I'm going to send you account right after stream. Let's pick another winner. PM session, I will do giveaway as well. Just don't worry, guys, you will have another chance to win. Interesting name. Are you in the chat? You're very welcome. You deserve this. It's fair game. Not here. Frank, don't even start, please. You won twice within 1 week. Yay! You won account 50k Pro Lucid account. So once again, guys, thank you for joining IM session. I will come back at 12:30 p.m. to trade PM session with you. We deserved like fat W here because we were patient enough. We planned the trade, we traded the plan. Once again, Apex running up to 85% off. So I still have 20 old funded accounts with Apex. But if you want to try Apex, 85% off on all new plans, end of the day drawdown and intraday challenge drawdown, and one-time evaluation fee. As well as Lucid running 50% off on all accounts. One-time evaluation fee, no activation fee. Tradify 30% off, highly recommend to try select plan, 50k select plan, so you can pick daily payouts option. Also cool, I like it. And funded next futures, guys, bold plan. If you knew $69 for bold plan, 30% off. Also solid deal. So guys, if you want to support the channel, use code LUMI. I'd really appreciate this. And I will see you guys in a bit more than 1 hour to trade PM session. And we need to win again because who are we? We are the best. We are the best, right? Love you guys. See you soon. Thank you for subscribing and likes. Bye guys. See you soon.